Replacing your windows can be one of the most rewarding home upgrades, offering enhanced energy efficiency, increased property value, and improved comfort. However, for homeowners in Ferndale, tackling window installation as a do-it-yourself (DIY) project may seem tempting, but it's a risk that often costs more in the long run. Here's why professional window installation is not just the better choice, but often the only safe, effective one for Ferndale residents. Precision matters, and most DIYers miss the mark. Proper window installation is a craft. It involves precise measurements, structural considerations, and techniques that ensure an airtight seal. A window that's just a fraction of an inch off can lead to drafts, water intrusion, and even damage to surrounding walls. In Ferndale's variable climate, where moisture and cold snaps are common, even a minor misalignment can quickly spiral into costly problems like rot, mold, or insulation breakdown. Professionals know how to assess your home's specific frame structure and tailor the installation accordingly. They also use the right materials and techniques for long-term performance. For a homeowner, those nuances are easy to overlook, but critical to success. Lack of specialized tools can jeopardize the whole project. Window installation isn't as simple as prying out the old unit and popping in a new one. It requires tools like levels, sealant guns, insulation foam, shims, nail flanges, and sometimes even scaffolding or heavy-duty caulking systems. Most DIYers don't own this equipment, and renting or buying it adds to the cost. Worse, if those tools are used incorrectly, or cheap substitutes are used instead, the result could be poor sealing or even structural gaps. This leads to increased energy bills, moisture issues, and a shorter window lifespan. In the end, the money you think you're saving may actually be wasted. Void warranties and insurance coverage. Many premium window manufacturers require professional installation to keep their warranties valid. If a DIY job leads to a broken seal or damage due to improper fitting, the manufacturer may refuse to honor the warranty, leaving you on the hook for repairs or replacements. Additionally, if the improper installation results in water damage or energy inefficiency, your homeowner's insurance may not cover the resulting issues. Ferndale residents who rely on their home's value and performance shouldn't risk that kind of exposure. Safety risks shouldn't be ignored. Installing windows, especially on upper floors, is physically demanding and risky. Balancing on ladders while handling heavy glass units puts you at significant risk of injury. One misstep can result in serious harm or damage to the window unit itself. Professional installers are trained in safety procedures and typically insured for on-the-job accidents. When you DIY, not only do you risk your health, but you're also financially liable for any accidents that occur. Building codes and permits add complexity. Ferndale, like many Michigan communities, enforces strict building codes for home renovations, including window replacements. Certain installations may require permits, and if they're not filed or executed correctly, you could face fines or forced rework. Licensed window professionals are well versed in local building codes and often include permitting as part of their service. DIYers, on the other hand, may find themselves in regulatory trouble without even realizing it. Long-term energy efficiency depends on professional installation. Ferndale's cold winters and humid summers demand energy-efficient window solutions that perform reliably year-round. A DIY-installed window, even if it looks okay, may allow drafts, leaks, and thermal inefficiency that undermines your heating and cooling systems. Proper insulation, flashing, caulking, and leveling all contribute to the energy performance of a window. Certified installers follow proven processes to ensure maximum efficiency, helping you reduce your carbon footprint and your energy bills. Final thoughts. Invest in peace of mind. Ferndale homeowners deserve the peace of mind that comes from knowing their windows were installed the right way, the first time. While the DIY route might feel like a smart budget move, it's one that's loaded with hidden risks, added costs, and potential regrets. Choosing a trusted local window installation expert ensures the job is done safely, legally, and to the highest performance standards. In the long run, that's an investment that pays off in comfort, savings, and home value.